So I am Ishan Pandey. I'm from Delhi. I've recently joined as an SD intern at GoDaddy. So how I got the idea for this website is I've been producing music since like 2019. Yeah. It started as because whenever I listen to music, I used to think that I wish that they did this thing differently. They added this drum loop here or whatever, right? So I started watching YouTube tutorials about music production, and yeah, I've been producing ever since. And
Okay.
I make hip hop beats just as an hobby. So when I had to make an app using Aero Builder, I already had this idea in mind, right? That I wanted to make a beat marketplace or beat store. So
Okay.
yeah, that's how I got the inspiration. This is the entry page. Just features a picture, a short description, couple of buttons, browse beats. The play buttons work.
Okay.
Audios are demo audios that Aero Builder added by itself using a non-copyrighted source just for demo purposes. But yeah, it's pretty impressive that it was able to do this. I did not expect it.
Okay. So it
Uh,
was Arrow's idea only.
Actually, yes. I just wrote yes. It was from the suggested prompts.
Can we go through your initial prompt once, which you used in the Arrow Builder window? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So here is the initial prompt.
So as I can see, you have written it purely in English and
Yeah, so one thing I had in mind going in this is that I will keep it only prompts. I won't look at the code base to edit changes myself, and I'll keep the prompt simple as well.
that's great. So a person with a non-technical background can easily use it.
Yes,
That's
that's a
great.
really good thing.
So how many prompts did it take you to bring this to the final stage?
It took about like I'd say 9 or 10 prompts.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the time which it took you?
It took me less than an hour to come up with the final website.
Okay. So Ishan, when you opened Aero Builder, was there any particular feature which stood out to you?
Feature, not exactly, but just the performance of it all. Like when I would say it came up with about 70% of this final site just from the first prompt, which really surprised me. I did not expect that. And the actually the prompt suggestion feature is also quite a highlight for me.
Okay.
Like it's able to take the initial prompt, understand the context and intention, and just generate suggestions for you to go through.
Thank you, Ishan. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.